How's it, guys? My name's Rory. I am from Honda South Africa. I am an area manager specialist for all the dealers around South Africa. Today we are here at SWAT Corps. We are at the track day. As you can see, Honda's here and we have the brunch crews going. This bike right here is our Honda CB1000 SP. It is the perfect everyday bike to get to and from work or come to the track day on the weekends and have some fun. This bike is actually quite exciting. It is lively. The engine is a 2017 derived 5-blade engine that has been revived, detuned a little bit to 115 kilowatts. It is absolutely phenomenal. Let's talk about the engine. It's a 4-stroke inline 4-cylinder, double overhead cam, 4 valves per cylinder, 1000 cc's. We have 157 horsepower at 115.6 kilowatts at 11,000 RPM. Max torque is 107 Newton meters at 9,000 RPM. Fuel capacity is 17 liters. We have a wet weight of 212 kgs, a little bit on the heavier side, but you don't feel the weight. So for the frame, we have a twin spar chassis. Okay, so we got 5 riding modes. We have rain, we have sport, we have standard, and then you've got 2 fully customizable user modes for your convenience. The CB1000 Hornet SP also comes standard with a quick shifter. It comes with features like the Honda Road Sync. Your front suspension is Showa, fully adjustable. Our rear suspension is a Öhlins monoshock damper with a ProLink swing arm. So front brakes are 2x310mm discs, radial mounted 4-piston Brendo Stylema calipers. For the rear brakes, we have a single 240mm disc. For the front tires and the wheels, we have multi-spoke cast aluminium and 17-inch rear and 17-inch front. And this specific bike packs an absolute punch.